Hello everyone. So today we are going to study about phylum Porifera. The name Porifera they got because of the presence of large number of small pores in their body, and these pores are also known as ostia through which the water enter in their body. They also lack notochord, nerve cord, pharyngeal gills, and posternal tail. Because of that, they are called non-chordates. Okay, distribution. So they all are marine forms. However, some freshwater and backwater forms are also there. Levels of organization: cellular grade. The body has not formed yet tissues, organs, and systems. So the body is simply a cellular grade. Germinal layers are absent because the tissues are not yet formed. Coelom is absent because tissues are not yet formed. Symmetry, most of them are showing asymmetrical body because the cells are anyway any direction they grow. However, some form are even showing radial symmetry. Segmentation absent. Skeleton, they got some special type of calcium carbonate spicules which are holding the cells together. Body pan, simple aggregation of the cells. Notochord is absent, nerve cord is absent, pharyngeal gill is absent, and posternal tails are absent. Is absent rather. Okay, now this is the body structure. If you look at the porifers, generally they look like this. That is the cells. Okay, these are the cells. These are the cells. So all there are these are cells. And here you, if you cut it into a cross section, what you will find that some of the places through which the water enters. Okay, these are the small gates. These are the small pores through which the water enters. And these water then enter into a canal, and from where the water from the upper end comes out. The upper end there is a large opening that is called osculum, and these small tiny openings are called ostia. Okay, so this is how the body is. That is, every cell is in direct contact with the surrounding water. The cells which are found outside, they are having the water from outside, and those cells which are found inside, they are in the contact with the water found inside. Okay, so each and every cell will get their required substance like oxygen, food, etc., through the surrounding water. So we'll see nutrition. Each and every cell is taking its own food by filter feeding. There are some special type of cells found in the pores. They are called conocytes. They got their flagella. Respiration, each and every cell is in direct contact with the water, so they take their oxygen from the surrounding water. Excretion, every cell is in direct contact with the surrounding water, so they simply throw their waste out. Locomotion, they generally sedentary animals, they don't move. However, whenever they have to move, what they do, they detach their body from the surface, and the water which is brought from the ostia is thrown out forcefully from the osculum, and that gives a jet propulsion, and the body moves ahead. Sexual reproduction. So this is done either by fragmentation when the body is broken into two or more parts by due to any external force, or they may even show budding. Okay, sexual reproduction by fusion of gamete. So the male and female gametes are formed in the same body, and that is why they are called hermaphrodite. Fertilization is internal because the egg is found attached to the female body, and the sperm has to swim and reach up to the egg. And then the fertilization will take place. Development is indirect. So larval stages are found, and that is how the larval stages will be then later on they will detach from the body, and they go and attach onto any surface, and there a new form will form. So these are the example. Sponges are there, and this is a very important example. This is called euplectella. Euplectella is that is when these animals die. So only and only calcium carbonate spicules are left behind, and they gives a transparent appearance, and it appeared just like a flower vase. And that is why they are very important in Japanese system, where they are given as a wedding gift to the newlywed couples. So that's all in this video. Thank you.